Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start your credit history with Synchrony step by step clearly. To start your credit history with Synchrony, begin by checking your credit score. A good score will increase your chances of approval for a credit account. Visit the Synchrony financial website to explore your options. Choose the type of credit account that suits your needs, such as store credit cards or financing offers. Review the terms and conditions for each account carefully. Ensure you understand the interest rates, fees, and rewards associated with the card. Click on the Apply button for the account you want. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Provide your social security number and income details as required. Be honest and accurate to avoid any issues with your application. Submit your application and wait for approval. You may receive an instant decision or be notified later. Once approved, review your credit limit and any promotional offers. Activate your card as instructed in the welcome email or package. Make your first purchase to formally start building your credit history. Set up alerts or automatic payments to manage your account effectively. Monitor your account regularly to track your spending and payment history. Establish a habit of making at least the minimum payment on time each month. Over time, this will help improve your credit score and establish a strong credit history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.